It's challenging, learn different things. It's great companionship. We sit here and talk and just have fun.
This location is beautiful out here. It's a good way to spend your evenings, a good thing to get your kids into. This, I think, is the thrill of it. It's addicting. It can be an adrenaline rush once you get going into it.
You have to pass the test, fly by yourself. You got to do 3 takeoffs, landings, rolls, loops, and dives and stuff, and dead stick landing.
Okay.
And once you can do that, they'll allow you to fly on your own. After you learn to fly, you want to adventure and learn more and more and more.